Meaning of forceful.
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 Forceful. Forceful means having a strong and powerful impact or influence. It can describe someone who is assertive and persuasive, or something that is impactful and effective. When used to describe a person, being forceful often implies a willingness to take charge and make decisions. When describing an action or event, it suggests a profound and undeniable impact. In general, forceful actions or people can be seen as authoritative, dynamic, and potentially transformative in their effects.